All right, I got that sucker welded in there. I'll do a little grinding on him, cleaning him up. Looks like all four of them are. This one's in a little better shape back here, but made up a little bit. So, but anyway, so I did that, and then, like I said, since it was such a nice day, I went ahead and got the back glass removed out of this. And as you can see, if you look here, I got him all chopped out. These are cool, they still work. And I'm pop out like that. I'm gonna try to keep them suckers. You know, I have to get new rubber and everything, but they still work good. Chopped, got all this junk chopped out from back here. You know, you got double layers on everything. Chopped, got these pillars chopped. I'm not gonna be, my pillar, I really don't remember where it hits, but it ain't gonna hit there, of course. So I'll end up boxing this in, you know, and that'll be where the door closes on it. This thing comes to, let's see, the other pillar, I want to say it hits, yeah, I don't remember. I know I need roof to fit to come up to the other car, about right there. So, you know, I went and cut extra, but got that cut all the way across. So it's ready to lift off. I texted my buddy. This is gonna take a couple guys. It's gonna be kind of tough even with a couple guys. So what I'll do is I'll probably harvest these tops maybe. I don't know, because I don't know how everything, you don't know how it'll match up as far as that goes. But I'm just gonna take the thing in there. There's so much stuff. Bunch of horse tack in there. That's all horse tack. And this I thought would be a cool shift handle. It's off the, I don't know, maybe. That's the first thing I thought when I saw it. Be kind of a cool shift handle. I don't know, we'll see. The stuff I found, I also found a brow. It was under all the junk. And I mean, it's in perfect condition. Two-piece, got little louvers on the side of it. So I'll be putting that on there. So that'll be cool. There's a bunch of junk in here. I'm gonna dig everything out and see what kind of shape those seat frames are in. They look pretty rough. The one in the back, the bottom's gone, but this one here, it's still in there. And these, I think I may just take these just because, just to hang on the wall because of Shea Hudson. I just thought that was cool. I don't know, but you see that seat's just cool, man. It's got a big, got an oh shit bar on the back of it. Yeah. Pretty cool. And little lights coming with the roof, little lights in the back. They're pretty cool looking. But very deco. See the writing on the dash. Just kind of deco, you know, most of it. The numbers, can't see it. Stupid sun's in the way. See that one? Yeah. Pretty cool. Anyway, that's where I'm at. I was kind of, after I welded that rocker down, I really wanted to get to cutting that top out of the car because I knew it wasn't going to be easy. So we'll see. You know, get it in here. I still got to chop the back windows. Chop some of this deal there and chop these off, because that thing, I measured it. And the way that top swoops up, I mean, it's gonna come, like up like that. I mean, because the back of that's so much longer. It's a different, it's a different shaped car than this one. So I said, I don't even know if it's gonna work yet. I mean, anything will work. Like I always say, yeah. We'll just see how much it's gonna take. I am gonna have to section it. There's no question. Back to front, I mean, side to side, of course I will. I don't know how much, but side to side, definitely gonna have to section it down the middle. So that's okay. A little bit of welding. I think it'll be neat. I was going back and forth on whether to make it weld the back doors up today, because I'm think everything works good, but the way this top fits, back doors ain't gonna work. So I'm just gonna go ahead and weld them up. Just go with the plan. So anyway, all right. I think I'm gonna clean up the shop and go get something to eat later.